vlog. So we're leaving. I need to go to Pip to drop this off for my brother, and then we're gonna go buy stationery. Everybody's had breakfast, but I don't have an appetite today, so it's a bit of a struggle. But anyway, I'm gonna have a boiled egg. I think that's as far as I can go. So I'm gonna get sweets because I mean, why not? Why not spoil something? I love these. We had to buy stationery. Why are we at Pick and Pay Clothing? Now I'm looking for people. Mama. I'm going to Postnet, but now I didn't have data. But anyway, I'm just gonna quickly buy data, and then I need to print a few pictures, and then because I want to surprise my sister with a photo frame. I got the pictures, guys. They look so cute. Outfitters to get dresses for my sister, and now we're getting socks and pantyhose and all those other things. So yeah, my mom has so many girls. Oh my gosh. Show them what you were doing. Oh, I think I'm crazy. I got these seamless bums. So yeah, anyway, my sister's also still looking for undies, and we're getting tight. I'm gonna be going to the next shop. So not stationery, uniform is done. Oh, this was so cute. That's so cute.
So far, these are the only ones.
It's nice. They're nice, yeah.
The only thing they're a bit untidy. No.
Stationery finally. And then we got this for my dad because it's his birthday next week. Guys, me I'm tired. I kind of want to go home now because I'm bored. Besides that, I'm tired. I just want to sleep. Hey, yo. What's wrong with me? But honestly speaking, I'm the type of person, I like online shopping. I like convenience. Cause yeah, this thing of walking, no, I'm over it. Let's go home now. We're getting some sugar for the road, and we're gonna go. I'm not even sure what we're supposed to go get because we were here for stationery, and now we're buying the whole board, honestly. And I wish my dad was here because by now we would have been gone. Hey! Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. I didn't open this at home because I left very early with my mom and we've been talking ever since. So sorry. I'm at the salon getting my hair done and then I'm gonna go get a few things for my dad. And since my aunt works here as well, I'm just gonna go get her lunch as well. Yeah, I'm gonna get her lunch because I don't feel like I've ever gotten her lunch. So I will see you guys when I sleep. Thank you. So I'm not done with my hair yet, but I just got food quickly for my aunt and I'll see you guys when I'm done. I'm at Food Lovers. I'm getting cake and I'm also looking for some cabbage. Yeah, I'm just getting a few things for my dad's birthday and then I'll go. Hello. Hey guys, yo, my spongo, it's shining. But anyway, so I'm done getting a few things at Food Lovers. I'm just gonna go get a smoothie and then I'm gonna meet up with my dad at Loftus. So I'll see you guys after.